Would you like to create a unique art gallery in your home? Transform your home into a beautiful space with the art gallery-inspired OLED G2. Installation manuals are not everyone's cup of tea. You'll find this step-by-step video helpful. Alright, let's get started with unboxing your TV. Lift the top of the box. It helps to have someone lend a hand. Hold the TV along its sides and bottom and lay it face down on a smooth, flat surface. Check the included items. You'll also need a level tool and screwdriver. Ready? Let's get started. Let's put up the wall bracket. Place the guide paper onto the wall to help you position your TV. Make sure the guide paper is level. The guide paper shows you where the bracket will go. Place the wall mount bracket into position and screw it firmly onto the wall using the anchor bolts. Gently extend the bracket fully to create space between it and the wall. Apply the blue guide labels on the marked points of the bracket. These labels will help you position the TV's hanging bolts. Assemble the paper box. Place the box in between the wall mount and the bracket. Gently push the bracket so it rests against the box. Release the safety clips by pressing against them. Organize the cables so your TV can rest right up against the wall. Connect the cables and arrange them so they do not cross each other. Place the cables into both cable holders to keep them in place. If you own a 77-inch or 83-inch G2 TV, the power cable needs to be arranged into the cable holders first, before the other cables. The cables should not protrude from the path or overlap each other. Be sure all cables are inside both cable holders. This will ensure the TV will sit right up against the wall. Apply the red labels onto the hanging bolts on the TV. These will help you position the bolts onto the bracket. Now it's time to hang your TV onto the bracket. Firmly hold the TV along its sides and the bottom and carefully move the TV to the wall mount bracket. Align the guide labels on the back of the TV with the labels on the bracket. Slide the TV so the hanging bolts are fully seated onto the bracket. Once in position, grab the bottom of the TV and gently pull to ensure the TV is securely attached to the bracket. You can now remove the box from the bracket, push the safety clips back into place, and remove the guide paper from the wall. Lightly push forward on the top and bottom of the TV at the same time. When you hear the click sound, you'll know your TV is firmly in place. Finally, let's make sure the TV is level. It's easy to add more cable connections in the future. Gently pull and tilt your TV. Route your cables through the cable holders and make sure they don't overlap with the other cables. Return your TV into position by gently pushing it back towards the wall. To hide the cables, use wall molding from your local retailer to arrange them discreetly. You did it! The installation is complete. Now you can experience a new level of style with LG Gallery Design.